How to fix Telegram? Please check your internet connection and try again. Error. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first, what you will have to do is make sure you have the latest version of Telegram. To do so, go to Play Store and then search for Telegram. And if there is an update button instead of this mm, open button, simply tap on update and then head over to the next step. That is, go to settings, then go to apps. After that, find Telegram. After finding Telegram, what you will have to do is go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. The very important step is to make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection and no VPN is being used. Also, make sure you are using a correct ID or your phone number. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.